Hello guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to explain something so important for the people who study surfaces in Autocad Civil 3D. Uh, I'm gonna explain the methods how to create surfaces out of the points. There's actually a lot of ways to just create surfaces out of the points, Excel points. Here I'm going to explain two methods. The first methods by the point group, the second methods by the point files. Let's get started. Here I have my AutoCAD 3D pages. I would like to get my Excel file. I got my Excel file. This is point number, northing, easting, and elevations. I want to get it to the AutoCAD 3D. The first thing I'm going to insert point from file. I'm gonna choose the file. Sometimes nothing appears here. Just all what you need to go, just go and hit this form. It has to be CSV. It's gonna appear here. Just open. Then choose the right one. BNEZ. As I explained just right now. Then there's option to add points to the point group. You don't need to create like a point group from scratch. It's going automatically to form point group. I'm going to call it surface one point group. Okay. Now he created point group, this one. I need to figure out where is it. I have two ways. I can just hit scroller twice. Then it's gonna show me all the points. Or you can just go into the point group, right click, zoom to. Then you're gonna see this point. I need just to see X right here without like these numbers. I'm going to the properties, then just hit none. Okay. Now I would like to make surfaces out of these points. But I need just go to the surfaces, create surfaces. I'm gonna call it S11. Then going to the expand, this one, expand the other one, going to the definitions, point group, right click, add. As I we created S1, we would like to choose S1, then okay. Then here we go. I just got my surfaces. The first thing I would like to hide these points here. I'm going to the point group, none. Okay, then just I got my surfaces. Object viewer. This is my surfaces. This is my surfaces. There's another way. Let's just open a new pages. It is just going to the surfaces, right click, create surfaces. I would like call it S2, then okay. Then going to the surfaces definition, to the point file, right click, add, then just choose the Excel file, open, choose the right form, BNEZ, BNEZ, okay. Scroll second twice. Here we go. I got these surfaces. Thanks guys for attention. See you later. Thanks.